Good morning, students. Today we will see the important questions, the two theory questions asked in the examination. So first one is difference between the Pelton wheel and Francis turbine. So this is the very important question in the fifth unit. Water turbine. So Pelton wheel is a impulse turbine type. Francis is reaction turbine. Second one is the flow is tangential and flow is radial. Tangential means this is the nozzle, this is the runner. So the jet of water strikes the runner blade tangential direction. That's why we call it flow is tangential. In the flow is radial, in the Francis turbine, the water strikes the runner radially. Pelton wheel is used for high head. So Pelton wheel is suitable for high head. Francis turbine is suitable for medium head. Fourth one, Pelton turbine is installed higher level than the tail race, hence loss of available head. Already told in the draft tube topic. This is the head race, the tail race. So in between the Pelton wheel is installed. So this is the Pelton wheel. So out of total gross head, we consider only effective head. That means the distance between headrest to the turbine shaft is the net head. So this net head is available to generate the energy. So this is from the tail head to the distance between tail head and the axis of turbine is more in the Pelton wheel. That's why the loss of head is more in the Pelton wheel. In the Francis turbine, the full utilization of available head due to the use of draft tube. Already told in the Francis turbine introduction. Due to this draft tube is connected with the turbine. So this draft tube is integrated with the Francis turbine, so that there is less loss of head. Almost we consider zero loss of head in the Francis turbine. So the entire gross head is utilized as a net head. Here gross head is H equal to H gross equal to H net. Almost, not exactly equal, almost equal. Next thing, Pelton wheel is easily repaired as parts are accessible. So in the Pelton wheel, less parts are used so that we can easily repair. In the Francis turbine, the repair is very difficult due to their construction. Pelton wheel is used for low speed. So in the Pelton wheel we use jet of water. So and the discharge from the nozzle also less. So due to less flow of rate water, we obtain less speed. In the Francis turbine, flow of rate of water is more, so that we obtain higher speeds as compared to Pelton wheel. Easier to regulate. So we see the governing operation in the Pelton wheel. So whatever shaft in the servo motor that is connected to the spear. So due to the spear movements, left and right word movements, we can regulate the flow of water. So this regulation is easier in the Pelton wheel compared to the Francis turbine. So in the Francis turbine, the guide blade ring is rotated with some set of levers, so that difficult to regulate the Francis turbine. Another important question is difference between Francis and Kaplan turbine. Francis and Kaplan turbine both are examples for reaction type turbine. Francis turbine is radially inward or mixed flow reaction turbine. Kaplan is purely axial flow turbine. So in the Francis turbine, water enters circumferentially around the runner and exits axially through the draft tube. In the axial flow turbine, Kaplan turbine, this is the hub turbine. The water comes axially and exits axially, that is parallel to the axis of hub. Runner vanes are not adjustable, so the blades are fixed with the runner, so that we can't adjust the runner blades. But in the Francis turbine, we can adjust the direction of guide blades by operating governors. In the Kaplan turbine, runner vanes are adjustable. Why? Because in Kaplan turbine we don't use guide vanes. Runner blades range is 16 to 24 in number. Around 16 to 24 blades are installed around the runner in the Pelton turbine. In the Francis turbine, there are only 3 to 8 number of blades fixed on the circumference of hub. So Francis turbine is suitable for medium head, that head range is 62 to 50 meters. Kaplan turbine suitable for low head up to 30 meters. Shaft of turbine may be placed horizontally or vertically in the Pelton wheel in the Francis turbine. Shaft of runner is for all time vertical, so always we keep the vertically to obtain the pure axial flow. Servo motor is located outside the rotor, so servo motor is the main component in the governing operation. So this servo motor is located outside the runner shaft, but in the Kaplan turbine, servo motor is located inside the halo shaft. So why? Because inside the hub we fixed this servo motor. Due to this governing operation, the blades are movable. So in this way we can regulate the flow of water in the Kaplan turbine. In the Francis turbine, specific speed range is 50 to 250 rpm. In the Kaplan turbine, specific range is 250 to 850 rpm. In the Francis turbine, medium flow rate is obtained. In the Kaplan turbine, large flow rate is obtained. So that means Kaplan turbine speed is less as compared to the Kaplan turbine. For the more rate of flow, more speed is obtained. For the less flow of rate, less speed is obtained.